In this installation, we'll be covering wire shelving with wall-to-wall installation. At the desired height of your shelf, mark 2.5 inches from the right or left corner. Using a level, make a mark on the back wall no more than every 12 inches. Stop 2.5 inches from the opposite corner. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill all marks. Install the back clips into the rear wall holes by pushing them flush to the wall. Drive pins should be driven in by tapping with a hammer, using only enough force as needed to set. This will open the back fasteners behind the wall. Next, set the shelf into the back clips and snap down the locking flaps. For the installation of the wall brackets, simply place the wall bracket on the end of the shelf flush with the wall, then level with a torpedo level and mark your hole. Do this the same for the other side of the shelf. Remove the brackets, then using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill all marks. Replace the wall bracket and insert the drive pin. Using a small hammer, tap in using only enough force as needed to set the pin. This will open the back fastener behind the wall. Note, if any span is over 36 inches in length, at least one support brace is needed. To install the universal support brace, hook the prongs of the brace over the top front wire of the shelf underside. Position the brace between the prongs on the top deck wire. With the shelf level, position the bottom of the brace on the wall. Locate and drill the hole. Install wall anchor through the brace into the wall, and then set the pin with a hammer. Thank you for taking your time to learn more about Rubbermaid and the wall-to-wall wire installation.